how to buy ONYX, ONYX token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 5 hours ago and increased by 300% in the last 24 hours. So as you can see, this token trending number 1 in the DEX screener under the base network. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token as you can see and open your Bitget wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and from the top right corner here, just click here and select the base network. After that, click on this plus icon, and now here you can just paste the token on this here to be added to your wallet. Now click on this plus icon. So after that, what you need to do, just go back to your wallet and now click on the search icon here, and now you can type the token name like that, ONYX, as you can see, and now click on it. So after clicking also, now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with. I prefer to use the USDT token. As you can see, this is it. Now just click on it. After that, here you can type how much you want to buy like that, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. And after that, click on here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy ONYX token, and if you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.